Hey, second grade, happy Wednesday. We are going to go ahead and get started. We looked and learned about narrative yesterday, and today we're going to look at unpacking our assignment that we're going to do for lesson 4. So let's get started. I'm going to talk more about our writing day 2. So writing day 2, we are going to unpack your assignment. Please make sure that you have your iReady writing book and your pencil with you right now. So we're going to go ahead, and our objective for today is that I can analyze the details of a writing assignment and I can understand the goals of a narrative writing. So as we are working today, these are our objectives. So we are going to go ahead and look at our narrative diary on page 102, unpacking our assignment. If you need a second, go ahead and pause to get to page 102. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to begin by looking at Ken's writing assignment and how we thought about it to make sure he knew what to do. So let's see how Ken unpacks his assignment. What does Ken's assignment, what does a lizard do during the day? Okay, that's the question that we're answering, we're thinking about. Read 2 articles about the lizard. All right, imagine that you are a lizard living in the desert. Write a diary for your parents about your day. So in the beginning, introduce yourself in the setting. In the middle, describe what you thought, felt, and did during the day. Include at least 3 facts about lizards. And then tell what happened at the end. So this was his assignment. So I want us to think, to answer the questions, I need to learn about lizards, okay? And I will read for details about where lizards live and what they do, because I need to make sure I include the setting where it takes place and facts about what they're gonna do. All right, and finally, looking down here, I'm writing a diary and my parents will read it. I will pretend to be a lizard and I will tell where I am and what happens. So, what does the information beside the question mark show? Let's find the question mark. It shows, what does a lizard do during the day? That's telling us what he's going to write about. He's writing about what a lizard does during the day. All right, how will Ken find information about the lizards? Well, right here, here's his book. The book shows us his research. He's going to read 2 articles about lizards to get those facts to include, to make sure he is a very valid and real reasons and facts about lizards. All right, and what does the information besides the pencil tell us about the assignment? So let's find the pencil. Right, it's going to tell us what kind of writing he's going to do, who it's for, his parents, and what each part, the beginning and the middle and the end, should have. So this was Ken's assignment, and he did a really good job of breaking it down, doing the research, and being able to tell his good beginning, his good middle, and his good ending to the story to entertain and inform his readers. So today, we're going to turn to page 103, and we're going to mark up and read about your assignment. So you're going to learn about your writing assignment and mark the most important information in it, and this will help you understand what you need to do by the end of lesson 4 about narrative writing. So let's go ahead and follow along and read it with me for the first time. So right time, this is what our assignment is. What does a shark do during the day? Ooh, all right, so we're gonna be writing about sharks. Our book here says, read Amazing Sharks and Shark Bites, okay? So that's what we're gonna read, and our pencil here is giving us more information about what we're gonna write. Imagine that you are a shark living in the ocean. Write a diary for your friends about your day. So as a shark, what are you doing in one day? Ooh, this sounds like fun. I can't wait to learn more about sharks so I can make some awesome writing. In the beginning, introduce yourself and the setting, okay? In the middle, describe what you thought, felt, and did during the day. Include at least 3 facts about sharks, okay? All right, and then finally we need to tell what happened in the end. So how did his day end? So let's go ahead and look back at this, and we're going to look back at the important things to help us get ready as a good writer and prepare for what we need to be able to do. So it says underline the question you will answer. All right. So our question we're going to answer is our very right next to that question mark right here, right? What does a shark do during the day? So that's what we're working to answer in our writing. All right, step 2 says draw a box around what you will write. All right, it says here's a pencil about writing. Imagine that you are a shark living in the ocean. Write a diary. So a diary, we're writing about ourselves. So box the word diary. I didn't box it very well, sorry. Make sure you put a box around the word diary so you can still read it. All right, and last but not least, it says circle who will read what you write. And so right here, write a diary, for your friends about your day. So I know who's going to be reading this are my friends. So those are our audience. We want to be able to inform and entertain our friends. It's important to know who our audience is. So we are going to make sure that we are ready and to learn more about sharks and able to write some awesome things about what we learned. So if you haven't done our underlining, boxing, and circling, pause it here to get that completed. So you are ready to start your writing and learn more starting tomorrow. So for today, please make sure that you do a quick write real quick of what should the beginning, middle, and end of your diary include. So please take a piece of paper and write it down for your brain to remember that what your beginning, middle, and end of your diary need to include so that you're ready to write all about a shark's day and be able to complete your assignment. So I will see you back here tomorrow to begin learning more about sharks. See you all tomorrow.